Sony has just pulled the curtain off the FX3 II, and the buzz is nothing short of electric. What's got everyone talking isn't just a marginal update or a simple spec bump. It's the introduction of a revolutionary SPAD global shutter sensor, a technology that's poised to redefine what filmmakers can expect from compact cinema cameras. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Sony's FX line has long been lauded for balancing cinema-grade quality with the accessibility of mirrorless form factors. From the original FX3, which quickly became a favorite among indie filmmakers and YouTubers, to the FX6 and FX9, which dominate mid-tier productions, Sony has created a seamless workflow across its cinema and alpha systems. But now, the FX3 II might just blur that line completely, with the potential to be the hybrid camera of the decade. Let's dive deep into what makes the Sony FX3 II a groundbreaking release, from its SPAD global shutter, advanced image pipeline, real-world use cases, pricing, comparisons, and how it may impact the future of indie and professional filmmaking. Before we dissect the FX3 II's full spec sheet, we need to unpack the game-changing tech behind it. SPAD, single-photon avalanche diode, global shutter sensors. Unlike traditional CMOS sensors, which use a rolling shutter, a global shutter captures the entire frame simultaneously. This eliminates common problems like rolling shutter artifacts, jello effect during fast movement, skewed vertical lines during whip pans, flash banding in strobes or explosions. SPAD sensors take this a step further. They're designed to detect single photons with extreme accuracy, and they operate at lightning speeds. That means better low-light sensitivity, insanely fast readout speeds, near-zero latency imaging. For filmmakers, this means you can finally shoot action scenes, handheld motion, drone footage, or LED-lit environments with cinematic precision, without sacrificing dynamic range or introducing artifacts. Sony has been working on SPAD sensor R&D for years, and their deployment in the FX3 II marks the first commercial use of this technology in a compact cinema camera. Here's a detailed look at what the FX3 II brings to the table. SPAD global shutter full-frame sensor, approximate 26 MP. Dual base ISO, 800/5000. 14 plus stops of dynamic range. Improved color science with Cinetone 2. Dual gain architecture. 6.2K oversampled 4K at 60 frames per second. 4K 120 frames per second. 10-bit 4:2:2. 1080p up to 240 frames per second. Internal 10-bit 4:2:2 XAVC-SI/HS/S codecs. Raw output via HDMI, ProRes RAW/BRAW with AutoMOS/Ninja support. Real-time IAF for humans, animals, and objects. AI-powered subject recognition, even in silhouette lighting. Improved focus mapping and breathing compensation. Identical footprint to FX3, compact and lightweight. Active cooling system. Built-in fan for unlimited recording. 5-axis IBIS with active mode stabilization. Dust and moisture-resistant body. XLR, K3